The integration of the existing plant with the new facility for the incremental production rise. There is a lot of thought process happen between ITC and Valmet to make it happen from the cooking plant, from the Fiberline and the converting into single bleaching conversion. The cooking plant side, adding additional digester, it helps us to improve our productivity, overall production capacity. That is one thing. And moving towards single bleaching line from the two bleaching lines with the objective of making the better quality, consistent quality, and to get better deliverables and benefits, being a single line, and I think first in India, which ITC has adopted on the Valmet technology. What we have experienced so far, the chemical consumptions are promising and stable quality has been achieved. We could see the benefits of the expected from this technology.